Okay, so you're browsing the internet on Windows 11. Here it is, regardless to your browser. Let's say you want to go to, let's put in CNN.com. Let's go to a different one, Facebook, and you're browsing through. If you want to go back to your previous one, obviously most people just hit the back arrow. That can be quite tedious, especially if your mouse has low batteries, if you're on the wireless. So all you really need to do is just push the Alt and the left arrow, and it's going to take you back to the previous website that you're on. I'm going to go back again, Alt plus left arrow. It's going to take me back to Google. Subsequently, if you put Alt with the right arrow, it's going to take you to the one that you were uh, on beforehand. So again, Alt left takes you back one page, Alt right takes you forward one page. Very easy to navigate with that. That way you're not having to play around with your mouse. Good time saver rather than clicking these back buttons, and hopefully that helps you out in your online navigation. If you have any suggestions as to other tricks or tips you'd like me to let you know, leave them in the comments. I try to do them very quickly. That way it's not a waste of your time.